Welcome to Little Lessons. At Learning Resources, we know small skills can make a big difference to how your child settles into reception. That's why we're sharing simple tips shaped by years of working with parents and educators to help get your little one big school ready.
Thanks for joining us for another little lesson. Today, we're talking about fine motor skills. While gross motor skills are big, whole body movements, fine motor skills are the more precise actions that use fingers, hands, and wrists. For reception students, developing these small skills can make a big difference to their classroom life by allowing them some independence, like to open their own lunchbox or fasten their own coat. Practicing these skills early can give your little one a big boost in their physical confidence ahead of school. So just try a few simple activities together to get those little hands moving. You can try finger painting, shaping soft dough or play foam, sticking with tape or glue, cutting and snipping with safety scissors, playing with sand or mud, or even sorting small objects like shells, pebbles, or counters. Try to offer variety and follow your child's lead on what they enjoy the most. You'll soon see which activities they and their little fingers prefer and how quickly their motor skills will blossom. See you next time for another little lesson.
For more practical tips to help your child get big school ready, visit learningresources.co.uk.